Okay, hello Frank, this is Tony. Let me show you how to install this spotting scope. First, we have got this SV402 tripod, and there is a quick release plan here. First of all, install it like this. Then we have got this SV406p spotting scope, and this is the eyepiece for it. And this is the interface for this eyepiece. Just loose this screw, then install this eyepiece here, and then tighten it. Okay, and then you have finish this installation. Then we install this quick release plan to this spotting scope. There is interface here, and here is a handlebar. Tighten this plan to the spotting scope like this. Okay, we have tightened it. Then look at here. Here is a tripod. Then we can do this. This here. We can adjust the height according to your body height. Okay, then here is a spotting scope. Just push it on. Push this blank. Then it will lock. It will lock automatically. Okay, then adjust the angle. Adjust the angle like this. You can start the observation now. Do you understand?